If you want more than drinks from Starbucks, let's make that wonderful grilled cheese sandwich. Slathered in Parmesan butter with 2 different types of cheese, this sandwich has made many people happy on their commute. Join me in the kitchen for some cheesy goodness. This recipe makes 2 sandwiches. The bread I am using is cracked wheat sourdough. I just grabbed the largest slices from the middle of the loaf. On to the cheese. We have mozzarella. I was not able to find thin slices of mozzarella, so I thinly sliced a block of cheese. I am using 8 thin slices per sandwich. We also have 4 slices of white cheddar cheese. I thought aged cheese might provide more flavor, but I think what it provided most was being crumbly and not staying in a nice slice. I also wanted to try adding 2 slices of Munster cheese to one sandwich to see if I could get a bigger cheese pull. We'll find out soon enough. In a small bowl, mix together 4 tablespoons of softened, unsalted butter and 4 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Spread one side of each slice of bread generously with the butter mixture. Let's take this to the pan. Before building our sandwiches, please take a moment to hit the like button and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. I'd really appreciate it. Heat a large pan on medium-low heat. Place your bread butter side down into the pan. Layer half of the mozzarella on each piece of bread. Try and get about 2 slices of white cheddar cheese on top of the mozzarella. My cheddar crumbles were giving me so much trouble. I hope you have better luck. To one sandwich, I will add the 2 slices of Munster cheese. Place the top part of the sandwich on top of the cheese. This top slice should have butter facing outwards, not inwards. Cook 1 to 2 minutes on each side until the cheese is melted. Keep the heat on low to medium so the cheese has a chance to melt. Depending on your patience level, you could always cover the skillet to help the cheese melt faster. After flipping my sandwiches, my cheese was very melty. You can see the bread just slide off. Remove the grilled cheese from the skillet and cut it in half. Let's check out our cheese pull. First, the proper copycat. The pull is good, but I would like more. Let's check out our Munster sandwich. Ooh, so much more of that cheese pull. My mouth is watering. Let's eat these before the cheese congeals. Eating the Starbucks grilled cheese sandwich is really good. The ratio of cheese is just right, and best of all, I didn't have to wait in line to spend $8 for one sandwich. Next, the super cheese pull sandwich. So much cheesier than the first, and very tasty. If you want to keep your grilled cheese exactly like Starbucks, or change things up, these are both very good sandwiches and definitely worth making at home. If there is a recipe you want me to make, post it in the comments below. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.